In this video, I'm going to go through the process of replacing a battery on an R32 GTR. First thing you want to do is loosen up the top 10mm nut and also remove the bottom 10mm bolt. Then just swing the battery holder out of the way while trying to keep it hooked on. Of course, I didn't know at the time that it actually unhooked, but I'll deal with that later. The next thing you want to do is loosen the 10mm nut on both the negative and positive terminals, and when it comes to removing the terminals from the battery, remove the negative terminal first, and then the positive terminal. Then just slip off the cover. In my case, the cover is a little too big for the battery, but I'm using it anyway. And then just bring the handle up and take the battery out. Okay, so place the battery in and get it roughly in where it needs to be. And then just slip over the cover. Don't worry too much about the positioning for now, we'll deal with that later. Now grab the battery hold down hook, and where I pointed to a little bit earlier, you're going to want to hook it into that hole and then just hold that top side up so it doesn't fall out. And you can see with my left hand I'm still trying to hold it up so that it has tension on it, and then just grab the 10mm socket and just tighten it down a little bit. Then move down to the bottom, put the 10mm bolt in. And now it's time to position the battery. Okay, so just tighten down the bottom one a little bit, then the top, and before you tighten the top one down too much, just do it a little bit, but then come back down to the bottom and snug that one up first. Make sure it's not going anywhere. Now grab your positive terminal first and place that on. Then just snug up the 10mm nut. Don't go overboard or anything. Just keep in mind I'm using 1/4" tools, nice and small, not a lot of leverage. Then place the negative terminal on as well. And again, same process, just snug it up. And that's done. Now don't forget to jump into the interior of your car and set the clock again, as we did disconnect the battery.